today I am so excited because I have a ton of Shien stuff to try on for you, and I think this is going to be one of my best hauls yet. So stick around and we're going to get right to it right now. And the first thing I have to show you are these awesome pants. Here's the front of them. I think they're so great, and honestly the fabric is not as thin as you'd think, because a lot of the times from Shien the stuff is you can see through it. So this right here is a decent fabric. It feels like denim. I really like how it has the button and the zipper. It has really nice and deep pockets, so that is great, and looks like we don't have any pockets on the back. So let's go ahead and try this on, but wait, it comes with something else, so hang on. And we are going to be trying it on with this sweater. So let me show it to you. It is super cute and it's really soft. So as you can see, it has that cute little cutout in the front, just like this shirt has. I think those cutouts are just so cute, and they're still appropriate for the office. You're not like showing anything, so I think I really like them. The sleeves on this are kind of ribbed, or not ribbed, but cable knit in a way. They're something anyway. I think they're really pretty as well. So let's go ahead and try on these two pieces together. I'll be right back. Alright, here is the outfit. Check it out. What do you think? I think it is fantastic. I love it, love it, love it. Cut out. Around. And tell me what you think in the comments below. Is this your favorite outfit, or is there another one? Because I'd like to hear from you which one is your favorite outfit. So be sure to let me know in those comments below. And I will be right back with the next item. It's an actual outfit. We have some pants. Shien sexy. These beautiful pants here. They are a thinner material, but it is nice and stretchy. I absolutely love the paisleys across the pants, and they are flare leg. What do I have to go with it, you ask? This is also from Shien, or Shien, however you want to say it, and it is this beautiful sweater. So basically in the front, it goes over, and hopefully I won't need a safety pin, but it goes over the front like that, and then it has these lovely sleeves. Everything is really soft. I can, when I hold the sleeves up to the window, I can see a little daylight through just part of them, but it feels really soft, so I'm excited to try it on. So let's try these on, and this time I think we should have a little fun with it. Here you go. Here is the latest outfit. So check it out. I have these cute little pants and this shirt. Just barely. Might have to use a safety pin there. I'd have to use one there too. But I love this little shirt. It's super cute. But let me just do a spin around and show you the outfit. There we have it. So let's go ahead and see what our next outfit is. Next up, we have this outfit right here. So let me show you all of the parts to it. First of all, we have some pants, nice and long. They're a little bit flared at the bottom part. And then you can see the bottom has this cute little cutout right here. The camera is not really capturing the greenness of these. These are more of a olive green color than like a bright. So let me show you the tops that go with it. Here is the undershirt. Yes, it is nice and see-through. I didn't actually get this at Shien. I got this, I think, at Walmart a long time ago. So there we go. That's how it is. Here is the top that goes with it. So you don't necessarily have to have an undershirt. It does button up all the way, as you can see. And then the sleeves on this have that cute little cutout with the white trim. This was one of the outfits that I was really excited to try on. So let's go ahead and give it a try, and let's jump into this one too. Here you go, the next outfit. Check it out. Is it not so cute? So we've got this nice little lace camisole underneath, and then I unbuttoned it to where you could kind of see the camisole poking through right here. I'll stand back. And now it is time to check out our next outfit, which is this beautiful skirt. And check it out. It just goes all the way to the bottom. It's a little, looks like it's going to be a little long for me, so it's going to be a high-waisted skirt. But there you have that. And then I will be pairing it with the cream colored sweater that you saw before. So let's go ahead and get this one taken care of. What do you think of this outfit? I think it's super cute as always. I did a little something different with the shirt here. I put the tank top, the little camisole underneath, and then I kind of pulled it down a little bit and let there be more seen. So let me know what you think of that in the comments below. Let me show you the skirt. Here is the skirt. It is very soft and very velvety. And it has like a pretty decent amount of fabric to it. So I could see wearing this skirt with some tights and you would be perfectly warm in the winter. And this is going to be the last outfit for this haul, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you got value out of this video or maybe some entertainment, consider subscribing. Liking the video would help the YouTube algorithm know to push it out to more people, so I would love it if you did that. And other than that, I'll leave a video, actually a couple right here for you to watch next that are fashion related. And other than that, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.